Podemos empezar con la presentación de Seidu. Seidu, are you going to present in English or?
Yes, I would definitely would like to present in English.
Okay, so go ahead. We are going to start with you. So you have 5 minutes to present your
Okay,
proposal, and then you have 2 minutes to answer questions. So
great, great.
please go ahead and tell us about your
All right,
proposal.
thank you very much. Thank you very much. I understand. Hello, LATAM community. This is Seidu, co-founder of the Cardano Ghana community. A brief history of the Cardano Ghana community is that we have been around since 2021. We started with onboarding of students into the Cardano ecosystem. Now we have a vibrant and active community, over 500 people in our community. So basically, imagine a nation where we are having all these people who just don't hear about blockchain, but there are people who actually understand what blockchain is. They are ready to participate and then lead its future. This is all about the Cardano Ghana Bootcamp. We are organizing a 90-day bootcamp where we are going to have them hand-on intensive training on how they can participate actively in Cardano ecosystem, technical, and governance space. So with this bootcamp, we have scheduled it in 3 pillars. Among the pillars is a stage where we are going to explore these people to the ecosystem resources and tools which have already been developed into the Cardano ecosystem. Where to say that maybe those who are in the education sector, if they want to leverage on Cardano resources to better their field, this is where they will go, and this is what they can do. Like book.io, publishers and entrepreneurs in our ecosystem could use book.io to leverage the potentials of that. Cardano CBC is another opportunity that we want to put these people. We want to get minimum of 40 people to go and read the Cardano CBC and get the certificate or credentials so that they will be more credible in any where they find themselves in when it comes to blockchain and technicalism. We also want to look onto the governance of it. The Cardano Ghana ecosystem was part of the 1694 implementation. We organized the constitutional workshop. We attended the convention, and then we were able to contribute to our quota to get the Voltaire ratified on chain. So basically, this is a brief of the boot camp. So this boot camp is targeting 100 people of the community, not all. So we are now more focused on the numbers. We want to have to achieve these numbers so that we'll not be leveraging more numbers. So brief, this is the Cardano Ghana Bootcamp. We have already delivered a lot into the ecosystem. And then the CBCA, we have started that one with our own resources, and we have realized that there is a lot of interest for the community to read this code. That's why we are seeking for support for that, as well as getting them exposed to ecosystem resources and tools and get them on board into Intercept. Today, we are voting Intercept board members, and only few of our community are participating. It's unfortunate, and it's not it's something that we have to support them to leverage on. The second one is the institutional onboarding. Ghana has opened the doors for blockchain and fintech spaces to come on board and register and then leverage the opportunities available. So we see this as an opportunity to onboard institutions and enterprises here in Ghana so that they can leverage on Cardano and not any other blockchain. That's where we want to organize a Cardano institutional and tech house on board, where we are targeting lawyers, teachers, health professionals, SMEs, and accountants. This is just a brief of the Cardano institutional and tech house on board, which is also a 6 months project that we are targeting to do on behalf of myself. Our team, myself, I'm Mohammed Mustafa is a Cardano ambassador, active member, Fidelia Osman, Abdelrazak, Zuhairu, Abu. These are active people in the Cardano ecosystem, and this is just a brief of our team. As Ami mentioned, we have delivered 5 Catalyst projects since our inception into the ecosystem, and you can set that through my name, Seidu, SEID in the voting app, and you see that if you also set that on the Catalyst website, you see our previous work that we have already delivered. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Seidu. Okay, so I'm sharing the link to your proposal here in the chat so that everyone has a chance to take a look at it. Ahí acabo de compartir el link de la propuesta de Seidu para que todos puedan verla. Y si alguien tiene preguntas, es el momento para hacer preguntas a Seidu sobre su propuesta.